Hello everyone. Welcome to Burkeshire Farm. My name's Frank. Thank you very much for clicking on our channel. I'm out here today because we got a phone call from our contractor. He said he had hauled some materials out and they're coming out here and they're going to start welding posts onto the foundation and possibly start lifting some rafters up into the air. It looks like it's going to be another beautiful day out here. A little bit breezy, but not too bad. I'd like to take you along with me and get some footage of their beginning to build the structure or the framework of the Barndominium. So come along. Video when we were out here filming, they're pouring the concrete. Got just a little bit of the plates that they got down in the concrete, and I want to show you. See, here they are here. They've got, I don't know, a J-bolt on them about maybe 4 or 5 inches long that goes down in that concrete. And what they're going to do is they're going to weld all of these posts right to those plates. And that'll be the structural framework for the Barndominium. It looks to me like what they're doing, you see here, is they're just tacking them in. They're tacking them in as level as they can get them. They'll come back and weld them off. Something I always like to do when I used to build structures similar to this. Something I used to always do is I used to always come over to the end and sight down all 4 of those posts. All together should be just one straight single post all the way down. Looks good. Looks real good.
Welcome everyone to Burkeshire Farm. My name's Jackie.
And I'm Frank.
And today we are out here on the farm. They've started putting the beams up, so we want to show you what's going on with the beams.
Yeah, they came out and they've actually been out here a couple of days. I got a little bit of footage the other day, but they came out another day and did quite a bit of work, and I wasn't able to be out here to film for you. So we want to get a little bit of it here for you today and show you what they got done.
All right, there's lots of stuff out here, so we're just going to kind of start out in the background and work our way in.
I'm going to show you what they got out here. This here is some 4-inch square stock, and they use that for a lot of the posts on the house portion itself. They got some 3-inch stock here that they used on the patio. You can see back here, I believe these are 6s. Yep, those are 6-inch, and they made perlins out of these 6-inch I-beam. There's going to have 3 6-inch and 1, I believe, is a 10. We'll take a look. So you can see here's the 3rd 6-inch I-beam laying down here that they've made a purlin. And then here's the 10. They've got it all welded up, ready to go. This one's going right in the center of the house. It's going to be the main beam in the center so that we can make all the long spans, free spans inside the house where you don't have to have walls or posts or anything. It just clear spans from the living room all the way into the kitchen. And down here we've got a bunch of what's called channel. It's a 4-inch channel, and this is what they're making, or they're doing all of the exterior frame on the house. Is all this steel channel. It's all welded in, and this is what they will attach the outside sheet metal to. Those are 6-inch purlins, and that'll be for a lot of the roof, the ceilings. They can make real wide spans with it. All right, so what we've got out here on the front of the patio, this is where they use the 3-inch square stock. When I first saw it, I'll be honest, I kind of wish that they would have went with the 4-inch all the way, even out here on front of the patio. But then after I thought about it, you know what, this is actually better, because then I can come back and wrap these with like a cedar or something like that. We can wrap them so that they look like a wooden post, and then it'll also match all of our handrail. We're going to do handrail up here and have a set of steps going down on the front there. So this turned out okay with the 3-inch. I think that's going to be just fine. Here on the walls of the house, this is where all the 4-inch comes in. We got 2 more posts coming in here. There's going to be a post here and a post over here yet to come in. Right here, they'll weld these in, because this is where the 16-foot garage door is going to be. And then this, of course, is going to be the garage. Nice big. It's 25 feet wide by 36 feet deep. Here where you can see this ledge, this is going to be the exterior wall for the house. You can see they got a post that needs to come in here, another one over there, and 2 more back over there, which will be the center of the house, the center of the garage, the center of everything. And they'll run the 4-inch posts on this as well. Remember, this is an exterior wall that comes all the way through here. The door for the garage is going to be right in here. There's a door that comes in from the garage, and then there's also going to be a door here, an exterior door, to go out of the garage. To give you a little bit closer look, we're talking about that channel, that they're doing all the framework out of that channel. All the walls are going to be completely steel. All right, so then we got the doorway out to the back patio. Again, you can see how out here they've used the 3-inch post out here. And what they've done, they come in here, that's going to be one corner. We have this post, and then of course we said the window and the sink is going to be there. Well, this is going to clear span from here all the way over, so that there's nothing obstructing the view. It'll be completely open through here. Okay, I want to do this over here. There. Yeah, there it is. All the way to this wall is about 13.5 feet. So this room is going to be 13.5 feet with the closet removed out of it. 13.5. And then this bathroom, was that like 6 foot? I want to say 6'7", something like that. 6 foot 7 inches wide goes to there. Wow, that's just like almost really centered right on there. And then from there, from right there, this other bedroom. They got it ass backwards. This other bedroom is almost 14 feet. They got it backwards. That was supposed to be the bigger bedroom, and they put it over here.
Well,
this is 14.5 feet. It's exactly a foot.
We can swap it. We'll just make the front one the craft room and the back one the guest bedroom. Doesn't matter.
Yep, they just swapped it.
Yeah.
I knew I had done it. I knew I did. Anyway, so they got it backwards.
Doesn't make any difference.
No, just take a left instead of a right.
Yep.
It's really going to start coming together now. Our contractor Dakota told us that this week he's more than likely going to have a roof on this by this week. We're going to get the trusses up and get the roof put on, and once they get everything enclosed, we can start hauling some of our boxes and stuff that we can start storing in the garage. All right, so that's the tour for today. I'll be back out here Monday, and we'll get some footage of them getting the trusses up and hopefully get a roof on this thing next week. Thank you again for joining us, and God bless.